In a major show of military force, the US Central Command says American forces carried out a 2-hour-long operation, striking dozens of targets across Iran. The targets included military command centers, missile and drone facilities, coastal defense systems, surveillance sites, and maritime capabilities belonging to Iran's Revolutionary Guard Corps. According to the US military, the operation began shortly after midnight and was launched in direct response to Iran's earlier missile attack on a US base in Jordan. Before the strikes, US President Donald Trump had warned that Iran would face a very hard response. The latest military action appears to be the fulfillment of that warning and marks a significant escalation in tensions between Washington and Tehran. The conflict is also spilling into neighboring countries. Just a day earlier, the United States, in coordination with Saudi Arabia, targeted Iran-backed militia positions in Iraq. Reports claim at least 20 militia fighters and 6 Iranian advisors were killed in the operation. Meanwhile, another flashpoint has emerged in Egypt. A US-owned gas tanker and a Greek-owned tanker at the Mediterranean port of Damietta were reportedly hit in a suspected drone attack, triggering a fire. While no group has claimed responsibility, the incident has intensified concerns over the safety of vital shipping routes. With military operations now spanning Iran, Iraq, Jordan, and Egypt, fears are growing that the West Asia crisis could spiral into a much broader regional war. The coming days will be crucial in determining whether diplomacy can prevent further escalation or if the conflict is set to widen even further.